What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're gonna give updates on Jasmy coin because the hope right now is this is an official breakout to a new all-time high, at least when it comes to the 12-month chart. Now, remember, as always, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. So Jasmy coin is up 28.3% today, looking really good as we saw a really clear breakout. But the only unfortunate thing right now with this chart is we continue to make lower highs. We saw back in December, it hit 5.9 cents, ran all the way back down, back up, 4.9 cents down, back up, and then 3.9 cents. We then double topped, followed by this continued regression in the chart. So right now the hope is we can at least surpass the January 17th intraday high that was around 3.6 cents, and that would hopefully make things look bullish. We're going to talk about some of the catalysts that people are looking forward to for Jasmy coin, and then some hopes regarding ETF approvals that could potentially move the price to, again, a not even short-term all-time high, but hopefully a long-term all-time high. Now, you guys know I always say never financial advice, but for those of you that are looking to figure out where can I buy Jasmy coin and where can I trade this coin, because it is trading in a descending pattern, but for those who are day traders or those that are scalp trading, consider using something like Blofin. That's where I'm looking at this chart right now, and I do have this link down below in the description for Blofin, where you get 100,000 deposit and trade rewards. The best part is you don't need a VPN. You can use this in the United States or any other country except maybe areas of China, and it does allow, again, no KYC requirement for you to start trading on their platform. I use them for spot trading, and right now I'm going to put some limit buy orders for Jasmy after the video to hopefully see if I can get a entry, because I think, again, Jasmy long term is looking like it's going to be a big hold, especially with the Japanese market and everything else that's coming there. But let's go ahead and talk about it. Dogecoin ETF boosts hopes for 600% surge, Render, Litecoin, and Jasmy in focus. This was published just a little bit earlier today, and it says Dogecoin is warming up for a potential surge if a Doge ETF is approved. And then Render, Litecoin, and Jasmy coin are also gaining as well. Because remember, Jasmy coin has become very much a community sentiment-based cryptocurrency. So if we scroll down, they talk about all these different cryptocurrencies, but the Jasmy highlight I think is important. Jasmy coin's weekly chart has revealed a cup and handle formation. You guys can see that here on the 7-day chart. We were looking, when I was charting on this side, we're looking at the 4-hour. But we can change this to the 1 day. We can probably even change it to a little bit of a higher time frame to see what it looks like. But if you look at the 1 day, you guys can kind of see there's the cup and then there's your handle. And depending on where we bottomed out, if it's right around 2.2 cents, we can hopefully start to see a really nice run up back to previous highs in the short term. So the pattern began with a sharp decline from $5 in 2021, followed by a rounded bottom, forming the cup and handle phase that has emerged after breaking resistance at a little less than half a cent, with consolidation of key support between 1.6 cents and 3.4 cents. That's kind of where we've been running, and that's why day traders are loving Jasmy coin. Analysts think a breakout for this pattern could push Jasmy to Fibonacci resistance of 30 cents to a dollar, currently trading at 2.5 cents, but at the time of this recording, 3.2 cents, with a little bit of a breakout that we saw today. Despite selling pressure, despite the selling pressure, a move above the 9-day moving average of 2.67 cents could be the start of the recovery. So right now, of course, the cryptocurrency market is looking good. And then they state in conclusion, the crypto market is in full new developments that can change the way we invest and value assets. Bitwise's proposed Dogecoin ETF could be the start of the resurgence in altcoins and a pro-crypto president in addition. So right now, when we look at Jasmy coin, and again, right now, this is going to the daily chart. If my short-term goal would be if we can break right around 4.1 cents, I think anywhere below that, honestly, would probably be a reasonable entry. Let's see if this candle wick gets filled and then we run past it. And again, when you're looking at this blue line here, that's the moving average, and looking at the 60-day moving average. So if we can break above it and start showing positive and bullish sentiment when it comes to even technicals, a lot more traders will come in and be comfortable holding longer spot positions. So all I'll say again, guys, is in this market, be prepared and not surprised for what is to come. We see volatility. Right now, Jasmy coin is up 30% on the day. It's, again, just we're seeing a lot more inflows than outflows, a lot more volume picking up, which is all really bullish and exciting sentiment. But overall, again, it's not exactly where we want to be. We're not in the clear quite yet. So right now, Jasmy coin should be, I'm not even sure if it's back in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the market after the sell-off. It is. It's currently ranked 69th. But the nice thing that I'm seeing right now is this uptick in volume. 363% surgence at $436 million exchanged in the hands of traders. And you can see which markets that came in. Coinbase being one of the bigger winners, Binance, of course. And then we're seeing good volume also even on Kraken, BitGet, and KuCoin. MEXC as well. So these are all really bullish signals in my opinion. Things are looking good in terms of buy signals. The question right now becomes, where will we consolidate and when should we expect a breakout? We just got to keep watching over the next few days. But overall, the sentiment is looking positive. I appreciate your support. Let's get ready, hopefully, for that 10-cent Jasmy. That would be an intra-year high within the last 365 days. And from there, maybe go to $1 and even beyond that to the previous all-time high of $5. I appreciate your support. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.